yeah, basically understands newer technology. So that's a good thing about this. Maybe that's why they call it the Noco Genius. Yeah, I never thought about that. All right, y'all, welcome back to Philly D's Garage. So today I got the Noco Genius 10 battery maintainer slash charger. So I've been getting a lot of questions about this machine. And I just wanted to clear up some, questions and just give a little quick preview of how you work this, because some of the main questions that I were getting were like, how do you put it in repair mode? How do you put it into supply mode? So today I'm just going to show you guys real quick how to do that. So I got a battery here that I already repaired with this charger, so I know this battery is good. But first thing you do is take your black lead, put it on a negative, take your positive and your red and put it on the positive. Now your battery, your maintainer cables have to be on the battery for these modes to work. Only mode that will work without being attached to a battery is the supply mode. All right, so the only mode you can go into without it being attached to the battery is supply mode. So I'm just going to show y'all that real quick. So right now I'm holding that button and see how it just went straight to supply mode, because that's the only mode that it will go in without being plugged in. So you just go back to standby. All right, so you'll be in standby mode as long as the outlet is plugged in. So now we can't, like I was telling you guys, you can't go into no mode without being attached to the battery. So now I'm gonna show you. You want to attach the cables back to the battery, and now if you want to go into 12 volt mode, 12 volt AGM, 12 volt lithium, all you got to do now is just press this button, and as you can see, it's automatically going into the mode. If you want to switch it, these are all your modes here. So if you want to switch it to AGM, which this battery is an AGM, you go to AGM, you go to lithium, 12 volt lithium. Remember, without it being connected, you wouldn't see these modes. So you have to be connected. So now if you want to go down here to these bottom modes, to 12 volt repair, 12 volt supply, AGM, 6 volt AGM, 6 volt, you just hold this button down and it'll take you down there to 6 volt. Hit it again, you go to 6 volt AGM, hit it again, now you can get the 12 volt supply. Hit it again, now you're in 12 volt repair. All right, now also one thing about this is, as long as you're connected to the same battery that you were connected to when you was charging it, it would automatically detect the battery, automatically charge. So right now, let me see, right now it's charging, right? So if I take it off like that, put it back on, it will automatically go straight to the wherever it was at the last time. It will automatically recognize the battery. But now if you take your cables off and basically reset this or turn it on and off, it's going to act like it never, like this battery was never, hold on, let me get this other one. Oh, I lost my cable. Hold on. There it is. All right, so let me see. Yeah, see how it won't recognize it as if it's a different battery. See that? But now if you you know, set it back up and start charging it like that, and then you take it off for some odd reason and put it back on, it'll automatically recognize it. See that? So I just wanted to show y'all that. Now this battery is already rebuilt and repaired, and as you can see, it's once it's fully it'll go up pretty quick. It'll probably take like 2 or 3 minutes and it'll be totally full. So once it's totally full, it's going to be green right here, and it's just going to pulsate green. So you'll see that once you start charging your battery. It's already in the orange. So that'll take a few seconds. So as you can see now, it's full all the way up to green. But once it's totally charged up, all the way charged up, these colors right here would disappear, and this one would just be a solid. There you go. See it? All right. So at one point, I took this battery out of my car because it tested bad. So this was a while back. So when I got this, you know, I still had the battery. I was like, wow, let me just see if I can repair it and fix it. And I did. So there's nothing wrong with this battery right now. So I can put this battery back in my car once the other battery dies out. So that's the good thing about this machine. Like it can repair your battery. It can supply voltage to something. It'll charge, you know, AGM batteries, regular batteries, lithium batteries, you know what I mean? And it's a smart charger, so for like newer cars, it won't damage your system. You would plug this up and it would detect, you know, what type of battery it is. So the machine itself knows how to fix your car and how to handle it. And yeah, basically understands newer technology. So that's a good thing about this. Maybe that's why they call it the Noco Genius. Yeah, I never thought about that. But so yeah, so as y'all can see, y'all know how to put it in repair mode. Y'all know how to put it in supply mode, AGM mode, all these different modes. And you can put it in supply mode also while it's plugged up. Okay, so as you can see, I just jumped down here. Now I'm on to 6 volt AGM. Now I'm on 6 volt supply. So you could get to supply whether you're plugged in or not. As you can see, I'm plugged in right now to the battery, and it jumped to supply mode. So you can get to the supply mode whether you're plugged in or not. So that's a good feature on here. This repair mode works. It works wonders. I repaired at least 5 or 6, 7 batteries already with this machine, and the batteries are working totally fine. So what I recommend though, every time you repair a battery, just, you know, put it in regular slow maintaining part, and then let it slow charge. You know what I mean? After you repair it, let it slow charge and let it take in that energy slowly to rebuild that battery. You'll have a better, it'll be better off that way. You don't want to just repair it in repair mode and then think the battery's good. You got to let it slowly charge. So I hope I answered most of the questions that some people were asking me. But yeah, if you guys got any more questions, just drop them below. Other than that, if you like the video, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll check you on the next one.